Hey hikers, my name is Kat and I'm your Los Angeles hiking virtual guide, and in this video I'll be showing you exactly how to get to the San Antonio Falls in Mount Baldy, California. Now the hike itself is fairly easy. It's 1.3 miles round trip and it takes about 45 minutes to complete. The challenge is getting there. There is no cell phone service, so I'll be showing you in this video how to find the trailhead. There are no gas stations. The nearest one is about 30 minutes away, and this is particularly important in high season when wait times can be long. You might need tire chains, and to find out if you need them, you can check the Mount Baldy Fire Department Twitter page, the Caltrans website, or calling the Mount Baldy Lodge. And lastly, you will need a National Forest Adventure Pass for the day. You're going to start off by typing Mount Baldy Trailhead. The cross streets are Mount Baldy Road and Falls Road. Trailhead coordinates are listed on the map as well as in the description section of this video. Directions are going to lead you up Mount Baldy Road, and on your right you will see the Mount Baldy Lodge where they sell the Adventure Pass. A few yards ahead is the Mount Baldy Visitor Center where they also sell the Adventure Pass. You're going to keep going up and the road is eventually going to split. You're going to keep left to stay on Mount Baldy Road. After about 2.5 miles from that split, you're going to come to a road median or road island where you have traffic going up on one side and traffic coming down on the other side. And at the end of the second road median, you're going to make a left. And for those of you who want to see it on a map, this is the first median and this is the second. There is a sign for San Antonio Falls Road, but you're only able to spot it if you drive up past the trailhead and are coming back down. Today we're only hiking to the San Antonio Falls, but this is also one of the trailheads to the top of Mount Baldy and top of the Notch. There's a trailhead sign, and this is going to be my hiking buddy for today. After passing a few cabins, you're going to come to this lookout where you'll have your first view of the waterfall. Behind us, Mount Baldy Road continues up that hill if you want to go to the top of Mount Baldy or top of the Notch, and that's the trail we came from. And if you like hikes with waterfalls, or if you just want to hike different spots in LA County and want guidance like in this video, be sure to browse through my channel for other hikes. And that is all I have for you today. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a like. But more importantly, if you want to see more of this type of content, be sure to subscribe to my channel and follow us on Instagram at Hiker on a Trail.